All right, we're going to move on with part 4 of chapter 5, the skeletal system. In this particular section, we're going to learn about the appendicular skeleton. Now, the appendicular skeleton is composed of 126 bones. They make up the limbs, the pectoral girdle, and the pelvic girdle. Now, those bones that we see here in orange are the ones in the appendicular skeleton. Now we're looking at it from the backside. Now, the pectoral or shoulder girdle consists of the clavicle, which joins up to the sternum, and the scapula, which is attached to the posterior thorax and vertebrae via muscular attachments. The pectoral girdle is very light and has a high degree of mobility due to the openness of the shoulder joint and the free movement of the scapula across the thorax. Now, the clavicles extend horizontally across the thorax. And then the scapula are their very thin, flat bones that lie on the dorsal side of the rib cage. And here's what it looks like. Here's the bones of the clavicles, and here are the scapulars. Next up, we have the arm. Now, the arm is the region extending from the shoulder to the elbow, and it has one bone, the humerus. The humerus is the largest, longest bone of the upper limb. It articulates with the scapula at the shoulder and with the radius and ulna at the elbow. There's what it looks like. Now, the forearm is the region between the elbow and the wrist, and it consists of two bones, the ulna and the radius. The ulna is the medial bone, and the radius is the lateral bone. As we move on, we want to take a look at the hand. The carpals, or wrists, consist of 8 short bones arranged in 2 irregular rows of 4 bones each. The metacarpals, which makes up the palm, consist of 5 small long bones numbering 1 through 5 from the thumb to the little finger. There are 14 phalanges of the fingers. The thumb is digit 1 and has 2 phalanges. The other fingers, numbered 2 through 5, have 3 phalanges each. That ends this particular lecture of the skeletal system.